I hear another question that I hear a lot is if my spouse and I have an agreement, why do we need a lawyer? Good question. It really is. But I will tell you that I have tried to fix or fixed many cases after the fact, after an order has been entered in a case where one or both parties were representing themselves. One party was representing himself, the other party didn't show up. I mean, I've seen a lot of really bad messes. So what I would say to that is you don't know what you don't know unless you're a family lawyer yourself in South Carolina. Um, and having an attorney is going to cost you some money on the front end, although we do offer flat fees for agreements, for true agreements. We'll get to that in a moment. Um, but it's going to save you a lot of money in the long run because there's going to be something that you haven't thought of that's going to come up. I mean, there are things that come up that lawyers don't think of, but we at least have a due diligence that we've covered most of it. Um, Something's going to come up in the future that is going to cause an unintended consequence, and you're going to have to hire a lawyer and pay them a lot more to fix it than you would have had to include it in the first place. So we have a program, a framework for our clients that helps step through the process and captures all the information that we need, and we make sure that you've considered the issues that you probably haven't considered. And we also make sure that it's filed correctly, that the agreement is drafted correctly, and that everything is the way it needs to be, the way a judge wants to see it. I have had a client who represented themselves. The husband also did not have an attorney. They had actually done a really good job of working out everything they wanted, but they went into court and the judge told them to go get a lawyer so that they could have the document in the format that the court wanted it. So call us up. I love to do agreements actually. We do flat fees for them if you truly have an agreement, like you've worked out most of the terms. And we have a way of doing the retainer so that if it is truly an agreement, you pay a flat fee. If it becomes contested, then it goes to a different, usually an hourly payment plan. So I'm sorry, hourly billing. So give us a call and we'll make sure that you are covered in the right way. Um, Thanks.